In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a speech bubble in PowerPoint. This is a handy tool if you want to make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Maybe you're looking to add comments or emphasize certain dialogue in your slides, and a speech bubble is perfect for that. So let's dive right in and explore how to do this step by step. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you want to insert the speech bubble. Now head over to the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen. You'll want to click on the Insert tab to get started. This tab is where you'll find various elements you can add to your slides. Once you've clicked on Insert, look for the Illustrations group. Here you'll find an option labeled Shapes. Click on that. You'll see a wide variety of shapes you can incorporate into your presentation, but for our purpose here, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Callouts section. This section is where all your speech bubble options reside. When you're in the Callouts section, you can choose from different types of speech bubbles. There are several shapes available, such as rectangular, rounded, or even cloud shapes. These different styles can help convey different tones or aesthetics in your presentation, so pick one that fits your needs best. After selecting a speech bubble shape, click and drag directly on your slide to draw it. Remember, you can always adjust the size later if it doesn't look quite right initially. Drawing the shape might take a bit to get it just how you like, so don't worry if you have to adjust it a few times. Now let's customize your speech bubble to make it just right. You'll notice yellow handles on the shape. Use these to adjust the size and shape of both the bubble and its tail. This flexibility allows you to position the speech bubble so it points exactly where you want it, making it clear who or what is being highlighted. Next, click inside the bubble to add text. It's as simple as typing your message. This is where you can add any commentary, quotes, or dialogue you want to highlight on your slide. Finally, let's change the appearance of the speech bubble. Navigate to the Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format tab, depending on your PowerPoint version. Here, you can modify the fill color, outline, and other formatting options to make your speech bubble stand out or blend in as needed. You can experiment with different hues and tones to see what catches the eye best. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively insert and customize a speech bubble in PowerPoint, adding a whole new layer of interaction to your presentation. Whether you're using it for educational purposes or just for fun, speech bubbles can take your slides to the next level. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.